Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video will show you how to easily place an order on AliExpress without paying, and also how you can buy any product on AliExpress without paying. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, after you open your AliExpress website and verify your account with your email address and your phone number, just open your account. Then I will choose a random product, for example, and we can create an order without make any payment. Then guys, for example, this product, then we can buy this product for choosing the size, for example, and the color. Then we can click on buy now. After click on buy now, then it will take you directly to payment section. Then if you want to place your order, you need to select the payment method, then click on add a new cart. Then the purpose is add the random cart and unknown cart just for make a payment. For example, this one. Then I will give you an example for a random cart. Then you can add any card that you have, for example this one. Then this is the number of the card, then paste it, and name, you can add the name and CVV, then the date, you need to add the date, 4/2024 4. Then guys, after you add all this information, just click on save and confirm. Then guys, go directly to pay now. Then wait a few seconds. As you see guys, the payment is failed. Just and go, and now you can go to your account and tap on my order. As you see guys, this is your order without no payment. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.